Hello everyone. So I just wanted to pop on here and talk about the allergy test that I did recently. So the kit was from Allergy Test, and I will tag them here. And I really liked how just the whole process went. They were super helpful. The test itself was easy to take at home. I did the blood test, and I hate blood. I cannot do blood, but this was something even I could do. And if you absolutely can't do blood, they have a hair sample test as well. So I got my results back, and I did print them out just to keep. So they show you what allergies, how many allergies you have, and how many intolerances you have. And the colors here are, so that would be medium, and then the allergies just shows how many you have. So I am allergic to salmon, shrimp, rice, and soy, which is such a bummer because I am obsessed with rice and soy is in absolutely everything. So it's going to be really hard to cut that out completely, but I am going to do it because I know my body is just going to work better once I do that. And if I had never taken this test, I would have never known. I actually thought I was allergic to dairy, and that came back as no reaction. So with the intolerances, I'll just show you how they do it here. So they do low, medium, and high. I have a very high reaction to wheat and spelt, and a low reaction to oat. So it's very easy to just see what's going on in your body, and how they lay it out is really simple. And then it goes on, no reaction. This is vegetables, I believe. Yes. So they also set you up with a food elimination diet. So afterwards they help you cut out certain foods, or all the foods that you are intolerant to, and then the allergies that you have. So I've already begun to cut out soy, and it has been challenging because it really is in everything, and some even the things you don't even notice that they're in. So again, I would highly recommend this test. It was super easy. The customer service personnel were so helpful, so nice, and this is a really good thing to do because you just want your body to work better, and you don't want to always feel just blah all the time, whether that's like bloating, cramping, irritability. Food allergies and intolerances have a lot of symptoms, so this is something definitely you might want to check into.